Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. We're off to a foggy, drizzly start to our morning. That's the immediate concern. Later today, severe weather does become a concern. Now, we do have a few showers and thunderstorms in northern Nebraska. Outside of that, kind of drizzle or light rain around other parts of the viewing area, and a lot of cloud cover. Now, notice, though, out west, we are going to start to see some clearing take place. So a little more sunshine in the western part of the state. We may get some breaks in central Nebraska. Now, the more sun we see, the more unstable the atmosphere gets. So later on today, I do expect the development of showers and thunderstorms. Chances do pick up a little bit by about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon, with an even better chance coming in after supper time this evening. A little more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity, and continued severe weather is a possibility. Even later into the night, by about midnight, 1 a.m., still seeing showers and thunderstorms, maybe still some strong to severe thunderstorms, especially now focused in southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, into eastern portions of Nebraska. As we approach tomorrow morning, the severe weather threat goes down, and we start to see decreasing chances of rain, and in fact, we'll start to even clear up the skies out there, of maybe a lingering shower or thunderstorm on Friday, but much of the day will be spent dry and with mostly sunny skies, and we'll be looking at fairly comfortable conditions behind that cold front. Not a big cool down, but mostly 70s for highs, so it looks pretty good for Friday, and no chance of rain as we get towards Friday evening for those area football games. Looking at that threat of severe thunderstorms from the Storm Prediction Center, now, while a large area is under a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms, a more confined area under a slight risk in the yellow shaded areas, those are the areas that are going to be most focused on for the best chance of strong to severe thunderstorms. This includes the Tri-Cities, places like York, Albion, Ord, O'Neill, Smith Center, Kansas. So we'll have to watch that threat of strong to severe thunderstorms coming in later on today. Again, especially that 4 p.m. through midnight time frame. And we have a small window of time late this afternoon, between about 4 and 6 o'clock, maybe around 7 o'clock there, where there is even the threat of an isolated tornado or two. Mostly, though, the main threat is going to be damaging winds and large hail, with some of the strongest storms that do develop. Temperatures for today, we'll be looking at temps in the mid-70s for highs up north, maybe upper 70s there on Broken Bow. Mostly cloudy, a chance of thunderstorms with the best chance during the morning hours. Now, the chances of rain a lot lower out west, although can't be excluded, especially late this afternoon. Otherwise, they're going to see actually decreasing clouds out west, so a little more sunshine leading to warmer temperatures, upper 70s to lower 80s. In the south, we're looking at temps in the upper 70s to lower 80s. We get a lot of early fog and drizzle, and then a chance of thunderstorms, especially later on today, including the threat of severe storms. Also a little on the breezy side. To the east, we're looking at possibly some fog and drizzle, otherwise a chance of thunderstorms, especially later this afternoon, and the best chance will come in during the evening hours. But the complete opposite, basically, as we get towards this weekend. Saturday, of course, a very anticipated day in Lincoln, Nebraska. The Oregon Ducks coming in to take on the Nebraska Cornhuskers. A very evenly matched game expected between these two teams. A very anticipated game out there as well. But if you're going to be tailgating in the morning, I'd say 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, mid-60s, mid-70s by the time the game kicks off there at 2:30 in the afternoon. So looking pretty good for the mid-afternoon hours, and looking good following the game. Plenty of sunshine, and winds will be fairly light for the most part. So really the only issue is, are you going to get a sunburn? So don't forget the sunscreen, hats if need be here, especially if you're going to be in North Stadium. Otherwise, pretty nice conditions for Saturday. As we look at the rest of your 7-day forecast, again after today, the chances of rain not overly great. A small chance tomorrow, a pleasant day tomorrow for the most part. Looking pretty good on Saturday and Sunday, a little bit warmer, upper 70s and lower 80s. Slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm on Sunday, mainly far southern Nebraska into northern Kansas. Dry conditions Monday and Tuesday. We're going to heat things up a little bit more, getting those temps above average into the low and mid 80s, keeping those warm temperatures around on Wednesday as we bring in a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm Wednesday, although a better chance may hold off until Wednesday night and into Thursday. So, busy kind of forecast there. Today, the busiest day. Again, fog and drizzle, the immediate threat early. Later on today, after 4 o'clock, severe thunderstorms will be a threat across a large portion of the area, especially central and eastern portions of Nebraska into northern Kansas. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I am meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a very enjoyable Thursday.